Should you buy Roblox stock, and is Roblox a buy right now? Hey, it's Linus here. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my technical analysis of Roblox stock and an entry point that I'm taking a look at to possibly enter my position in Roblox stock. So if you're interested in all that, make sure you stick around in this video. Alright, before we begin, if you're new to this channel, I'm Linus, and in this channel, I share with you all things related to the stock market. So anything related to investing and trading. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you my Roblox stock analysis, but this shouldn't be taken as financial advice or anything like that. This is just for entertainment purposes. So if you choose to act on this information, make sure you do your own due diligence too. Alright, so let's begin by taking a look at Roblox stock chart. So if you see over here, this was where Roblox stock IPO'd. It has been generally trading sideways for quite a while now, from here to here before it gap up on earnings over here. So you can see that earnings was on this day over here and prices gap up by more than 50% over here. So Roblox stock started to catch my attention over here, and even though I did take a look at the stock when it IPO'd over here, it was never my intention to enter Roblox stock over here, especially in the first few days and first few weeks of its IPO. And the reason is this: regardless of how strong the company might be in terms of its fundamentals and financials, I'll never enter my position in a stock that recently IPO'd, because a stock that recently IPO'd tend to be very volatile in nature. It's not just the first few days or first few weeks that a stock that recently IPO'd is volatile. If you take a look at the day itself that Roblox stock IPO'd, and let's take the price range too over here, we see from the lowest point of the week to the highest point of the week, the whole range for prices that day itself was 24.58%. So this tells you how volatile a stock can be when it IPO, which is why I will at least wait 2 to 3 weeks before I look to enter my position in a stock that recently IPO. And if you take a look over here, Roblox stock has been trading sideways and is very choppy over here. And even though it managed to went up over here for a short period of time, you can see that for a majority of the time over here, it has also been trading sideways and been going nowhere. So as Roblox stock was trading sideways over here, I started to pay attention to the stock at this point over here. So let's zoom in over here. So it was at this point over here where I started to pay closer attention to Roblox stock. Before this point over here, I was casually monitoring Roblox stock, but I wasn't paying very close attention to Roblox stock. And this was where I started to pay closer attention to. In fact, it was this area over here where I first added my position into Roblox stock. I wasn't sure the exact day that I entered Roblox stock. It was either on this day over here or it was on this day over here. But either way, I entered my position in Roblox stock when it broke above this price level of around $84. But as you can see, whether I entered my position over here on this candlestick over here or on this candlestick over here, after that prices of Roblox stock declined over here and it stopped me out. So as you can see, I also have my fair share of losing trades, and this was one of those losing trades. So I entered my position in Roblox stock at a price level of around $84 and I got stopped out over here. And you can see from this that the risk that I'm taking on my position in Roblox stock was very minimal. And that is how I remain profitable in the stock market. When I'm wrong, I'm only risking a bit and losing a bit of my capital. But when I'm right, I'm making much more than I'm losing. And that is how I can remain profitable even though I have losing trades. And you can see that after I got stopped out over here, in the next few days when earnings was released, Roblox stock managed to gap up by more than 50%. After seeing Roblox stock price increasing substantially, some of you guys might be thinking, if only I held longer over here and not get stopped out on my position from here, I would have made a nice return over here. And that is true in hindsight. However, at that time, I didn't know that Roblox stock was going to gap up this much. Furthermore, especially when it comes to trading in the stock market, we always want to minimize our risk and have a clearly defined level where we will exit our stock if a stock goes against us. So yes, even though Roblox stock managed to gap up over here on earnings, it could have just as easily gapped down over here. So with that said, now that Roblox stock has gapped up over here, am I still paying attention to Roblox stock? Definitely, because by gapping up over here and on huge volume, it tells me there is strength in the stock. And that is why I'm still continuing to pay attention to Roblox stock over here. So as Roblox stock gap up over here, I'm not trying to catch a overextended stock. Instead, I'm looking for Roblox stock to settle down over here before looking into a possible entry into Roblox stock. And as you can see over here, I set an alert notification at this price level of around $110. So if Roblox stock break above this price level of around $110 and it has acted well, then I might look into a possible entry into Roblox stock. So that's my analysis of Roblox stock. And if you have any stock that you want me to take a look at, do leave them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to check them out. In addition to this channel, I also share my weekly stock ideas on my Telegram and Facebook group. So if you want to check that out and join my group, I included the links down in the comments below. So hopefully you have learned and enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button because it really helped the channel grow and allow me to produce more content such as this. And if you're new to this channel and haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel because each week I release new videos about investing, trading and the stock market. I'll see you in those other videos. To your financial success.